Oh yeah, sure. You see a man. What's that man? About some pepe. About some. Yeah, about some.
Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to another update of building a house in Ghana. In today's video, I want to share some tips which I believe will help someone out there to get an idea on how to go about building a house in Ghana or in Africa. So without not wasting much time, let's get into the first tip. Tip 1 is about building permit. If you look carefully on the block wall, I got a notice to stop work and produce permit. Please make sure you submit your building documents or drawing to the assemblies before starting your project. If you get a notice like I did on the wall before submitting your documents or drawing for permit, you get a penalty or a fine which will be times 3 of the building permit fees. I am paying 5,500 Ghana cedis as building permit fees for this project. So you can imagine times 3. The permit fee charges are based on the type of structure and the number of rooms we are putting up. I have 5 bedrooms all en suite, 2 wash guest rooms, 2 living rooms and 2 kitchen. Tip 2 for today is about saving cost on wood during the installation of your pillars or columns. So we've started with the pillar or column installation alongside with the block laying. So after we've laid blocks to the lintel level of one of the rooms, we installed a wooden frame for the casting of the columns to hold the blocks. Every room has 4 corners, so we installed and cast 4 pillars at a time in the day, and the rest of the day is being used for laying blocks of the other rooms. This process will be repeated every day till all 16 columns or pillars are cast. We are almost done at this stage, so I will be coming up with the total breakdown cost of laying blocks to lintel level and also the installation cost of columns or pillars. Another tip for today are the prices of iron rods on the market in the month of July 2021. These are the prices for the mild steel. I will search for the high tensile later in the next video. If it is your first time on this channel and you would like to know more about building in Ghana or Africa, the cost involved, and some tips, kindly please do subscribe to this channel. This is just the beginning. We still have to go for the casting of the upper deck and also the first floor. So kindly please do subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest update. And if you are also interested in knowing how we got to this far, I have created a playlist called the Pram Pram Project. It has a lot of information from digging of trenches to laying blocks of the foundation, the casting of the floor concrete, and then laying blocks, the first 1,000 blocks, and the cost involved. So it gives you an idea on how to build in Africa or in Ghana. Talking about playlist, you can also check this project out in my playlist called the Dowenya project. I also did a breakdown of the building from foundation level till lintel level, which was last year. So you can also check it out, and I think it will also give you an idea, and you can compare the prices of this project, which was last year, and the one I'm doing now, which is this year, to know the difference in prices and stuff. I believe this will also help you to get an idea. So after seeing the walkthrough of this project and you are interested in knowing what went in and out, you can check my playlist. It's called the Dowenya project. This project was built by the same contractor I'm using now in Pram. I would also like to use this opportunity to thank my subscribers and my viewers for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's do it.